Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savera if you're new here, and I make Urdu learning videos on this channel. So if you're interested in learning video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would encourage me to keep making videos. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about question words. So what are question words? I mean, as obvious as it sounds, question words are all those words that we use to make a question. Basically, these are the WH family, such as why, what, when, how, who, which, whose, where. Every language has a WH family of its own, so let's study what is the WH family of Urdu. Let's get started. What means kya? Why means kyun? When means kab? How means kaise? Who means kaun? Now which has three forms depending upon the subject used, and similarly whose also has three forms depending upon the subject used. Kahan means where. Now the three forms of which are kaun sa, kaun si, and kaun se. Similarly for whose we have kiska, kiski, and kiske. Now I know you are a little confused where to use which form. Let me tell you that if our subject is masculine noun and it's singular, we will use kaun sa, and if it's masculine but it's plural, we will use kaun se. And if it's not masculine but feminine, it could be feminine singular or feminine plural, we will use kaun si for both. And similarly, for whose the cases are the same. Kiska for singular masculine, kiski for feminine singular and feminine plural both, and kiske for masculine plural. I'll make a detailed video on it. In this video, we will cover first 4 of these question words. Kya? Kya means what? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Tumhara means your. Naam means name. Kya means what, which is the question word. Hai is the present element of the sentence, which means that the question is in present tense. Tumhara naam kya hai? What is your name? Tumhara naam kya hai? What is your name? Now tumhara, when you use tumhara, it's considered a bit informal. If we are talking to someone, elder person or someone who is respectable to us, we will not use tumhara, we will use aapka. Aapka also means your, but it's considered a bit more formal and respectful. Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Kyun? Why? वो यहाँ क्यों है? वो यहाँ क्यों है? वो means he or she. It can be used for both. यहाँ means here. क्यों means why. है again is the present element. वो यहाँ क्यों है? Why is he or she here? Why is he or she here? The decision to make he or she depends on the verb used. In this sentence, the verb is not very modified, so it can mean both. It can either mean he or it can either mean she. Kab. Kab means when. वो कब उठता है? वो कब उठता है? Have you guys noticed that the position of the question word comes between the subject and the verb. वो means he or she, which is our subject. Kab is the question word. उठता है means to wake up. उठना is a verb and it means wake up. उठता है is the indefinite form of उठना. उठता है. उठता है. When does he wake up? Now again, in this sentence, the verb is defined. उठता है, to wake up. उठता है. उठता है is ending with the sound a. उठता. Therefore, we can have an idea that the subject we are considering is a masculine. It's a guy. It's a boy, right? If there was उठती instead of उठता, then our subject would be feminine. It would be a girl, a woman. वो कब उठती है? When does she wake up? वो कब उठती है? When does she wake up? If we had more than one people, we would have used उठते. उठते. उठते means they indicates that our subject is plural. वो कब उठते हैं? When do they wake up? The next question word that we have is कैसे. How. Again, it will come between the subject and the verb. वो कैसे इतनी देर सोता है? वो कैसे इतनी देर सोता है? वो means he, because again सोता है means to sleep. It's our verb and it's ending with the sound a. सोता, it's ending with a. Therefore, our subject is masculine. Exactly. वो कब कैसे इतनी देर सोता है? वो means he. कैसे means how, which is the question word. इतनी means so. देर means late. इतनी देर means so late. सोता है means to sleep and सोता है means to sleep. How does he sleep for so long? वो कैसे इतनी देर सोता है? And if our subject would be a girl, then we will use वो कैसे इतनी देर सोती है. How does she sleep for so long? Alright? I'll cover the rest of the question words in my next video. If you guys want to learn about what the next words are, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would help me a lot. Thank you so much. I'll see you